Wala oh. Apo na yan. Garang-garang yan.
Wait. What? Girl, are you already filming? Why are you so shaky?
Wow!
You're not gonna make it.
Talo na ako to, talo na ako.
Surrender na? Surrender?
Surrender na ako. Pabilib ka sis. Yung kabuubalan ng pumo.
Bakit na-iko rin? Bakit na-iko?
Bakit na tayo ko?
Bakit na-iko?
Balo-balo ko bakit na hiko.
Ang taga na bubo. Dalawa.
Wow, gano'n na
Sino kaya?
Nagbil.
Sino kaya ang matatalo dyan? Ah!
Sarado na oh.
ang buot, ang yaad puno-puno.
Buot?
Kahit mabubo talaga.
Oh my god. I'm scared. Whose turn is it?
Kasi ano yato? Flat yaad sa buklay, oh.
That's scary.
Fear na.
What was the earthquake? Oh my god.
Talagang talaga. Hindi na ako talaga kumuha. Si bakit di mo ay? Ang katansya mo.
Laksa! Laitin! Ayaya!
Matutindi itong mga naiwan.
I'm scared. You're eliminated! Slow? Yeah? So there's 4 players left?
Yeah.
Hindi na matibay.
Well, imagine if Joshua wins.
Tika.
He won at
Tayo muna ako.
Ed, yung mga Ed, kung dito yan.
Okay. The same one I'm running. The same one, right? Yeah, that's fine.
Happy New Year to all! Kay! Lynn, Marslyn, Ganda, si Kay, Ating V,
Good luck at home. Let's go. My turn? Yeah.
Amistad, Edrada Amistad. Happy New Year to all, Sis Edna Garasa, Josephine Caru, Marslyn, Sis Ruby. Sis Ruby, Happy New Year to all. We love you all. Nagpuna ako.
Do I get my money since I played? No. only MC. Wow.
Wala na. Talaga.
Your MC, let me carry you.
Parang tumutulo na. Kaya mo yun, sis. Wow. Wayat mo po. Ano ba? Bilib ako talaga.
Ano?
Bilib ako talaga ko.
So if you win, give me the money.
Kita ano rin, iko rin.
Basta ako, napapahinga na ako. Opo na ako kayo. Tatabi pa kayo. Marami. Ang dami nilagay.
Wait, just you and no, Nico or no? Yeah, I forgot.
Ang dami nilagay din.
Sino na lang? Tatlo na lang kayo?
Yeah.
Sino? Kayong tatlo.
Kaming tatlo?
Sino mo, Ed? Check mo.
Magkano bang, panalo? 1 million?
1 million.
Mark Aaron, Marinel Joy Arias. Happy New Year.
New Year!
Sis Ruby, oh. Sis Ruby. See you here next year, next Christmas, next New Year.
Well, he raised
Kain tayo ng moto!
Moto.
Moto, moto! Puto!
Ma, matawag ka na
Mo,
siya.
kita ba?
Puto! Sabi ko puto!
Ano? Bakit shaking the floor? He's shaking the floor.
Ay, moto.
Bakit may puto?
Gusto niya matalo si Ate Mai.
Kain tayo puto!
Apat pa sila? Apat?
No,
Ang
3.
tatlo na lang.
Uy! Uy!
Wow! Galing ah! Baka siya doon lang manalo. Malawiin niya yung 20. Sorry. Sorry, sister.
Talo!
Josh, between Josh and
Give me the
Inalo.
money. No, if you
Give me
win,
the money.
who will win? Give me the money. Kidding. Yours.
Si MC tayo, pwede lang.
I need more.
Sige, pero matibay! Isa! Laban sa lahat!
Ano yung The Clash.
Isa! Laban sa lahat! Happy New Year! Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Happy New Year! Kumin halbang!
Lupa ba?
Eh, tinin lupa ko, may patitiyan na Amerika, oh.
Yeah, Jordan.
Makin po yan, tapos-trabaho, kanya matakulod din.
Dalawa na lang. Luway lata na. Luway lata na. Pagalingan nila. Dalawa pagalingan.
Oh.
Pagalingan.
I can't even sit down no more.
Keep going.
The attorneys at Sweet James will help you recover physically and financially.
Ito ko nung iloban niyo. Ito ko.
You pay nothing until we win.
Pinagdagan! Pinagdana!
Naibalik ka 20 na.
It's gone. Kailangan ko na sa ano. Kailangan ko isa nito.
Tubig din, tubig.
You need water too?
Yeah, only one, only one.
Okay. Wow, so can you give me money?
Wow.
Huh? Give me money? You thought you were gonna win? You thought you were gonna win? Huh? It's okay. If you want, I want to give you.
Ito na, boy.
Keep on, keep on going, bro. You're like,
Ha?
you're too confident.
Yeah, yeah.
Ayos ko mo, no?
He cheated. He thought he was using finger, bro.
Wait, that should count.
No, it doesn't count.
That should count.
No, no.
Yan ang gagamitin ko.
This table?
This thing?
Yeah.
Tingin mo lang kung natin yung bahagi.
Ayan.
Hira na lang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ay, kapilat
We're
mo.
gonna do another challenge.
Yeah.
Iba ako freezer.
Sorry.
Okay, malayo niya.
What time is it, guys?
Mabala naman ang sabi. Doon ka naman nag-pwede, oh. Bakit?
Hindi mo nandun ka namang wakoy na wala.
Bawa na nito. Maista pa ba magyaman ka mo?
Yeah.
Sumaman ka mo na.
Kawahan niya.
Kawahan.
Bakit ang ginapon mandala ka sa akin?
Okay.
How many games do you have?
First time. Ito, ano na ro? Ay, price. Kailangan na dati.
I better win this one though. I haven't won anything either. Oh, you're rich. Bro, where? What's the prize?
Hold this one and see how.
Wait, what position?
That. Up to this, up to here. Asan yung one here? Up to here.
$20 again.
Up to here.
Wait, that's 10 or 20? Wait, what?
Yeah.
Just get it
Huh?
faster. You need to pull the cup up to the 20. Without
How about other
filling
money?
the water.
Other money. $1?
It's me first too, right?
Who will do first? Ikaw, Junel, para
Please,
makita ni MC.
please, please.
Para makita ni MC kung paano. Which one, Ed?
Oh, only one penny. I think
Not that full, full?
The full one.
But
Put
not that.
some more.
Yeah, because if it spills, you lose.
Or this one?
Yeah, that's fine.
This one, ha? Okay.
Cukup pati ay ang palikat.
Sige. Ate Ma, ano na ha? Oh, kayo lang
Ako
dyan.
yun.
Hindi ako si Tati yan.
Basta alawo.
Pag nabasa mo nga,
You get this game.
ano?
You roll it up.
Roll.
You get to play.
Roll up, kuya, ha? Sige, kuya. O, na si Kuya Junel.
You know you're doing it the other way.
What's the wrong way?
Sige pa. Wait. Oh, that?
Mabya.
Oh. Pretty sure you could. I think I'm pretty sure you could roll the.
Dapat dito ay pera.
Roll it the other way.
Na?
It's fine. He can do what he wants.
Ano yan, sis?
You have to try to get to the 20 without spilling the water.
O, di ata puno it.
Huh? I think you should make it full.
Ay, hold on.
I just wasted all my time.
So she said it was too easy.
Yeah. Right?
You know, how come you're not pulling the paper towel?
Because I
I mean, rolling. I think she's meant to roll it because you're not. OMG!
Sige, Junel.
Ito kami mina. Ako na
Yo,
puto.
stop them.
Ikat ya.
Magano lang nga.
Huwag ka mag-iinit.
Magano. Nung mag-iinit, malus na yung turn na.
Ano, tao?
Yeah.
Spill!
Magano lang niya?
Imagine the toilet. Oh, it spilled! No, but the paper has to rip.
Oh!
Has to rip?
Yeah, dapat puno.
You get it more.
Hey, can I get one more try?
Ay, ano.
Wait, do you gonna try? Huh? You gonna try? No, she's doing it.
Tara, come on.
Can I get another try?
Oh.
Please?
Because if we start again?
Can I restart?
Haha, oh. Hindi na, tapos tayo. Gansi, oh.
What is that? Oh, that's
They're gonna lose.
Oh, yo.
Oh, no, I'm scared for this one. You scared for this one?
This is my one victory royale.
I think it's already red, that's why.
Ayan,
Huh?
ready, ready.
What?
Yan, naputa na yan.
One more.
Yan, or painting, naputa na.
Yeah, oh, that.
Oh.
Dahil na
Was
natin,
it
hindi
red?
na.
Go.
Dahan.
Let's go, MC.
Para makuha mo yung 20.